Hey, what's up guys, Emmanuel here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install one of these, the bidet. Due to what's going on right now, many of you guys know sometimes toilet paper just actually, we ran out of toilet paper on the market. So in order to save yourself some money getting toilet paper, you can easily install something like this in your bathroom, and that will also help save some money on toilet paper. This is my second bidet. I installed one for my wife and I, and I'm about to install one in my kid bathroom. I have all girls in my house, so this right here definitely going to help out my girls and also cut down all the expenses on the toilet paper. All right, so let's go ahead and see what we got in the box. And I was trying to recommend you guys going with this because there's a lot of bidet out there you might see pretty expensive, but the cheaper ones can also do the job. This is the cheapest one that I got on Amazon. My second set. It's the same one that I put in my bathroom. It's the same one over here. They have all the on the menu, how to, whatever. We're not gonna need that. That's what I'm here to show you how to do it. So you're gonna get this right here, the hose, and you're gonna get all the stainless steel adjustable thing, spray. And this right here is the connector. Connect your toilet hose and the bidet hose. And this right here will be something that you're gonna maybe, if you like, this is optional. You can mount that on the wall and hang your bidet in it just like that, which I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute. Alrighty. So definitely gonna need a tip in order to prevent any leaks. Alright, they provide you with screw and something just in case you want to mount that on the wall. And that's the little old ring or gasket, how do you call that? You want to hold on to that, you're definitely going to need it. So you also got that little thing right here. This, you can hang that if you do not want to hang that on the wall, you can put this right on your toilet tank. And we're gonna go through all that. I just want to show you guys what we have in the box. So let's go ahead and start the process right now. First, we're gonna rip this off real quick. All right. And you want to make sure you put all the thread. You want to put some of the tape around this including. All right, so if you don't, you're gonna get a water leak. All right, just like that. And kind of wrap it around and give it a little bit of stress. So this is what we got. You got a nice looking thread. I hope it's okay. All right, so like I said, if it's not enough, you can stay out more. It's not going to hurt anything. It's just going to give you a better seal. All right, they're going to give you the cheapest one on the market anyway, so you just got to be able to work your way around there. So let's see if we can add a little bit more. They're not going to give you the expensive thing out there, but this set of bidet right here is very, very high quality, even though it's cheapest one that I find on Amazon so far. To be honest with you, like I said, I wanted to try out the first one to see how it works before I make a video on the second one, because I don't want to put something on my channel and then later it's not going to be good. So we're gonna put that old ring in there. Make sure you put that old ring there and push it in and leave it right there. This right here, this side, because you can see how different it is, right? This is totally different. So this longer one here gonna go on the spray head. Make sure you got the O-ring. You can see the black O-ring in there. All right. Oh, O-ring just came out. And this right here, we don't have to worry about the thread. But if you get any leaks from there, you can also put just a little bit of thread just to secure that. We got the O-ring there. It might not do any problem. It might not give you any leak at all. So we're gonna get this set up just like that. Pretty good sealed. So while we have this set up like this, we're gonna go ahead and shut off the water. Everything we're gonna need. I got pliers, I got screwdrivers, I got all my stuff right here. First thing I'm gonna do is turn off the water line right there and flush the toilet real quick. After flushing the toilet, you want some dirty rag or any bucket that you're gonna put underneath here, just in case when you disconnect that. So we're gonna disconnect the water hose from the toilet tank a little quick. While we're done with that, this right here, this part, make sure you have the black O-ring in there. As you see, this part gonna go on the toilet tank. So this is the first thing we're gonna connect to the toilet tank. And this right here is the one you use to adjust the water level, how you call it, water pressure to the spray hose. All right, sorry about that. So let's go ahead and connect this first. And you're definitely gonna need a plier to put a little bit of muscle on it. Don't go too crazy so you won't break anything. All right, so let's go ahead and put this bad boy. You don't need to put any tip on this. This is just a plug and play. And make sure the adjusting the thing is facing outside to make it easier. We're gonna grab the plier real quick and tie that down. That's the only thing you're definitely gonna need plier to do. Beside that, you don't need plier for any other reason. All right, this is pretty tight and it's not going anywhere. So the next thing we're gonna do is to connect that water hose. This right here, we're gonna connect that to the big one. All right, let's go ahead and do it now. The last thing we're gonna do now is to connect the spray hose. All right, so make sure you always have the black O-ring in there, otherwise you're gonna get a huge amount of water leak. So the spray hose is gonna go to the little one on this side. You can also use a plier on this one. The reason I don't use plier on the rubber one is they got a grip, so you can be able to hand tie that. So once we have that set up, we're gonna grab this piece right here. It don't matter which way, you could just make sure you line up with that. Oh, sorry, line up with that. All right, and once you do that, we're gonna use this one right here. Remember, you got two of these. The one with the plastic thing in it is when you want to mount that to the wall. I'm not gonna do anything on the wall. I'm just gonna put it right here. Because remember, if you mount that thing on the wall for the kids, they're gonna take it down in less than 2 days. So just go ahead and hang that on the toilet tank to save yourself some headache in the future. The one in my bedroom, I hang that on the wall because I know it's for my wife and I. But the kids are always doing something like a WWE training or something. So they're pulling stuff really hard. And I don't know. They use force on everything. So once you have that like that, you see, pretty much, you're gonna open the toilet tank just like that. Put it to where you want to put it. It don't matter. It's just gonna be wiggling like this, but it's okay. And after that, boom, bidet is all set. That's all you do. So let's go ahead and test it out. Look, you see? Oh, water is now open. All right, there we go. Open water. And this is pretty good when you doing anything like a bathroom cleaning, which help clean your bathroom. And like, for example, your daughter want to wash her hair, something like this. This is all good to help out in the house. Definitely going to save you a lot of money. Just watch the videos and do it. You're going to get a lot of love from your kids and your wife for just putting one of these in your bathroom. Pretty much, guys, that's what I have for you. On my channel, I do a lot of vehicle servicing, Toyota, Honda, oil, transmission, tires, brakes, you name it. And I do unboxing and product review. My goal is to help 1 or 2 people save money. So even if it's 200 people watch my videos, and maybe out of the 200, I got 10 people that found it helpful, that's what matters to me, all right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This right here, like I said, I have one in my bathroom. It is the second piece that I got so far. It's the cheapest one, also the high quality one. I used that first in my bathroom and I found it really, really fancy for the price. So that's the reason why I bought a second one to show you guys, because I didn't want to make a video on the first one. I don't like to direct people in the wrong, to turn people in the wrong direction. So I want to make sure that it's good before I share that with you guys. So this is really good. I'm going to link that in the description so you guys can buy the exact one. You don't have to go out there buy the fancy bidet, however you call that. This right here, it will do the job. So if you find the water pressure so high, you can use that thing that's right here to reduce the water pressure so your kids won't, overspray themselves. That's one of the good things. This will be really, really good for anyone in the house. I'm originally from Africa. In Africa, there's not many people that have access to toilet paper. So remember, a lot of people use something like this to clean themselves. I'm out of here, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, it's Emmanuel. If you did, do not forget to subscribe and like and share, guys, to support the channel. I'm out.